Hi everyone, good morning. Myself is Sunil Kumar Gochar, Faculty of Biology in SR Educoms. Now will be start the chapters of Management of Natural Resources in class 10th. Management of Natural Resources Introductions. Pollution in Ganga. The river Ganga used the sewage dump from the 100 cities stretching across Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Dumping of untreated sewage, excreta and chemical from industries increase the toxicity of the waters. This make inhabited of the flora and fauna in the river systems. In 1985 GAP Ganga Action Plan project was initialized to curb the poor quality of the water river Ganga. Now we the reduce the recycle and reuse. Reduce Reducing our usage and wasteful habits. Example: not wasting food, turning off the switch, save the electricity, repairing leaky taps, reducing the amount of water used for the bathing, etc. Reuse, using thing again the instead of degrading them. For example, reusing plastic, utensil and bottles. Many things cannot be recycled and required a lot of energy. Instead, we can utilize them for other purpose. Recycling clothing, degraded papers, plastic, glass or metal. Collecting degraded paper, plastic, glass or metal objects the manufacture different product rather than synthesize from them from scratch. Must have the mechanism to segregate and dispose each type of waste separately. Need to manage of natural resources. Due to the every ever increasing population and rising the demand of the changing lifestyle, natural resources are being the depleted at an alarming rates. To ensure the sustainable equals distributions of resource and reduction of damage to the environment, management of resource must be an integral part of our society. Increase in demand for natural resource, increasing population is increasing demand for more resources that are getting the depleted for exponential rates. Changing lifestyle and advancement in the technology is compelling industries to exploit our natural resource to meet the demands. Forest and wildlife. Forests are termed as biodiversity hotspots. Forests are termed as biodiversity hotspot. Biodiversity is the variety range of plant and animal life in particular habitat. Loss of biodiversity may result in loss of ecological balance and damage to ecosystems. फॉरेस्ट जो होते हैं वो मोस्टली हॉट स्पॉट हैं बायोडाइवर्सिटी के. मोस्टली डिफेंडेड द बायोडाइवर्सिटी इन फॉरेस्ट. सो फॉरेस्ट के अंदर मैनी आर स्पीसीज फाउंड इन प्लांट्स एंड मैनी स्पीसीज फाउंड इन एनिमल्स. सो अगर ये स्पीसीज अगर डैमेज होती है या डिकम्पोज होती है, धीरे धीरे डिक्रीज होती है, तो बायोडाइवर्सिटी का जो है वो अनबैलेंस हो जाएगी. तो इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस भी अनबैलेंस हो जाएगा और इकोसिस्टम डैमेज हो जाएगा, जिसका लॉस सबको भुगतना पड़ेगा. escape hold of forest. When we consider conservation of forest, we must consider the following stakeholders. People who habitats around the forest are dependent on forest produce. Forest department of the government then on the land and resource. Industrials who use the forest to produce certain product. Example, leave the tandu for beads and paper mills. Conservation and wildlife enthusiasts who want to conservation nature its pristine forms. People innovations in forest. Human innovation is necessity in the management of forest resource and landscapes. Resource must be utilized to ensure developments while preserving the environment. Example, Bishnoi community in Rajasthan for saving khejri tree in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Chipko movements. The Chipko Andolan Hug the Tree movements is one such case and conflict between the industrial and local dwellers in the 1970 Chipko movements. Original Reni Gherwal high up in the Himalayas. The conflict between the local village and logging the contractors. Women of the village stopped the felling the trees, the hugging dams, and contractor had the reverse the actions. Water is a necessary for all terrestrial form of life. In India, palace having water secretary, also the palace expressing active poverty. Despite the monsoon, there exist failure to return groundwater due to lost vegetation and release of the effluent from the industries. Decrease in fresh usable water due to the distortions of water tables, depression of water cycles. Involve the local peoples. Khuls. Himachal Pradesh had the canal irrigation system is called the Khuls, where flowing stream water diverted to the man-made channels which took village down to hillsides. The water was used first by the village forest from the origin of the Khuls. This helped water percolate in the soils. It was made the defunct after government irrigation system took hours. Coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are derived from the fossil fuel which are non-renewable. They will get depleted in due time. Hence, proper management for consumption of fossil fuels is important. Then, combustion pollutes our environment due to the production of oxides of carbon, sulfur, and nitrogen. Therefore, we need to use these resources. Fossil fuel are formed over millions of years of the degrading biomass and have the high amount of the carbons. When combusted in limited supply of oxygen, they form harmful gases that polluted the atmosphere, which lead to global warming. Just use of fossil fuels address the efficiency of your machines and ensure the sustainability of your resource for the further. Thank you. Concept from basic to advanced. Like and subscribe to my YouTube and channels. Please like and follow my FB page, Concept from Basic to Advanced, Concept Gulbarga and Concept Ramgarh Mandi. Thank you.